Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming network basics. Use Ethernet or a reliable Wi-Fi. Open Recovery, Command+R, and once in, choose Utilities Terminal to check the MAC clock. An incorrect date stops secure connections. You'll run date to view, and if wrong, set it with date MMD/DHHMMEI. While you do that, make sure you're logged into a local admin account so you can change network settings. These first actions eliminate the most common blockers quickly. Once the clock is correct, reset NVRAM to clear cached network and boot settings. Shut down, then press Option plus Command plus P plus R for about 20 seconds. Next, in Recovery Terminal, toggle Wi-Fi or renew DHCP with network setup commands so the Mac reobtains a proper IP and DNS. This fixes many server handshake errors. If local recovery still cannot reach Apple, make sure to try Internet Recovery using Option plus Command. You finish by selecting Reinstall Mac OS from the Recovery menu and following on-screen steps. This uses the fixed network and correct date to contact Apple's servers. If installation fails, create a bootable USB installer on another Mac and boot from it to install offline. If problems persist, the most important troubleshooting tip is to test a different network or a phone hotspot. Sometimes captive portals or ISP blocks prevent server contact, and changing networks quickly reveals whether the Mac or the connection is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.